Mr. Willpower. Man, temptation's getting me. Now, I don't know why a camera dropped down to 412. The DJI Osmo 360. It is really tempting to get one at that price. Maybe it can drop down to $399. It used to be $549. Are they trying to tell Insta360 the X5, hey, look, we're cheaper and we're better. We're the $6 million man. I'm not getting a 360 camera because my camera, basically, I use it every so often. I should have grabbed it today. But what good is it in low-level lighting, depending on what I shoot? It'd be against the window if I hold it. It's just too much work. I do certain things with it. I take a shot when I need it, and that's about it. Now, I am tempted more for DJI Osmo Nano. But they're in and out of stock, and they go for $299 for a 64 gig. But somebody wants 128 gig, so I would have to get the $329, and that's not a bad price at all. I could have used it, I could have put it on, but I would have to look and set it up and do all this good stuff. It takes a lot more work than holding a camera in hand. I got this camera, I got the Action 5 and I got the Ace Pro 2, and I could put it on my head or put it on my neck, and I could do what I want. But it's a heavyweight when it comes to a POV. No putting two cameras up when I do my reviews, how-tos, and so forth, and having a third one, it just hit start. Let it run, get the video all done, bring it back to the editor if it's one file per, and it hit the auto synchronization, and then just go cut, splice, splice, cut, splice, and you'll get a perfect 3-scene video. You'll learn one day in your life that it's too much of a rush, and you'll start to slow down a little, and that's what's going to happen. It's what happened to me. I slowed down. I used to love to do things like that. Now I'm just yapping about it, my thoughts out loud to you. Don't get upset because I said what I said. This is me just thinking out what I see. Well, I am heading to the store and I gotta do some mathematician stuff. I gotta do some adding up of wood. 6 inches. Oh man, that's what's the width. And 23 inches. That is about 4 pieces of wood, and I gotta cut them down, 1 piece 4 times, 2 pieces 2 times, or 1 large piece 4 times. You get what I'm saying? And then I gotta fit it in the car. Were you waiting for the DJI Osmo Action 6 Pro to come out, or an Ace Pro 3? I know you want to wait for Insta360 Ultra, the GoPro Ultra 2, right? I'll wait. I'll see what happens. Let's get on going. Alright. I need to cut 2 23 inches. And that'll give me a 46-inch piece. Alright. I have 45 inches. That'll give me 90 inches. And I need 4 of them. 4 pieces, 90, 180 inches. So that's 45 inches. That's 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 45 inches. Now 8 feet is what? 96 inches. I can't add no more, man. 92, 96 inches. Let me take the tape measure. Let me get it out. Let me bend it. Let me see how many inches 8 feet is. Nobody's there coming here. 96 inches. Like I said, 96 inches. So 96 inches is 8 feet, and it's 45, 45. I could get 1 piece of wood that would do my job. 2 pieces of wood would finish. If I get a 10-foot piece of wood, that may not cut it. So 2 8-footers, and cut those 2 down. I'm gonna walk in. to the entrance because I want to see what it looks like. Fish, get it off a super night. Halloween is over. Christmas has already begun. Where's the Easter stuff? Man, nobody's got any humor. This is the rest of the Halloween stuff. That's it. A little too late. Amazing, isn't it? Really is. I did good. I couldn't add up. I need coffee. And yeah, I got two 10-footers and one 8-footer, 2x6s. And I got the last of the 2-inch exterior nails. Man, it took me like a half an hour looking for the nails. So now I gotta cut some wood up so I can close the door. That's all I needed. The rest is garbage. I needed a 10-footer so I could get 3 things out of it. I get 2 45s and that 23-inch. That's one side, and the other side, and the 8-footer, yeah, will be a spare board. That's all I needed. So wound it up, I only needed 2 10-footers. I didn't have to get an 8-footer. And I was just getting a little confused. No, it's just how I am. I double think 3 things. I don't want to waste any wood. So I cut an extra inch to each of the pieces, 2 inches. I still had some room to play with. Bloop. That's what just came on. A code. I gotta go figure this out now. There should be a 2187 code. It points to the fuel filter that's in the gas tank. And I'm not about to pull open the seat, get to the gas tank, and then the code's still on there. But I can go pull it off and pull the actual module off, the sensor plug. And if it comes up 2087 or 2187, then I know that's my issue. Fish, it's still low light. Why are you still on video mode where you should have been on super night? I wish the camera was like a GoPro where it remembers that auto low light when to switch on and off. And then we'll have that, that annoying peak shutter going up and down, which people didn't like on the camera that DJI never fixed. We're going to wait and wait and wait for Harbor Freight. They're taking away the front corner entrance. So who can come on the street, the sidewalk, and walk to a store? Not me. You have to drive in and go to the back of the lot. I am Fish, and you have all this information. Talked about the cameras. Oh man, showed you that Christmas is coming soon. Maybe Easter be in the store next week, and Halloween is going out. I got a project to do. No rush to get it done. I got the supplies and material. And when it's done, it's fun. On that note, I'm Fish, and I'll see you on the next one.